Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we're back with another Dollar Tree haul and local discount places haul. Stay tuned for all the new goodies. Alright y'all, we are in flu season. Unfortunately, we are going into fall 2022. So just be aware that yes, Scotties are back. I love Scotties. I wish the number count was as that one purchase that I made that was like 200 and something sheets. But in comparison to Puffs, it's still a relatively bigger count. So as you can see, 128 tissues and it's 2-ply. We've already spoken about the assortment of designs, so you already know. Picked up 2 because it's good to keep in stock. Also, y'all know I'm a big fan of Scrub Buddies. 6 sponges in a pack. So it's always good to recycle them. If you see it, snag it. Also, to keep in handy, because we're in flu season, it's great to have some soup. And I love Healthy Choice. It's only 13 grams of protein. And it's nothing crazy when it comes to sodium either. I don't know if it says it right here, but in comparison, yes, it says 390 milligrams, but in comparison to other choice brands, this is a little bit on the healthier side, especially when it comes to concerns your health. You definitely want a lower sodium count. So I picked up 2, and my favorite is chicken noodle made with white meat. So you already know, $1.25 each. You already know my strong and soft 4-ply, 2-ply. I'm sorry, 4 rolls for 2 and 2-ply so 4 rolls in a package. Definitely still worth $1.25, especially around where I live. And LA's Totally Awesome Ultra Deluxe Liquid Dish Detergent and Fresh Apple. Why not, right? We're in apple season. And again, I think I showed you guys with my last haul. This was the last purchase that I made. These beautiful glass jars that you can put in your bathroom. You can maybe even keep in your kitchen pantry. Now, the reason why I'm making a point is because this is usually the size that they'll stock at my local branch. But now they're bringing them a little taller. Look, I just brought this one out so you can compare in size. It's just like a smooch, a little teeny smooch taller, but I think it has a lot for a little bit more space. So I might be using that for, hold on a sec. So I'll use the smaller one for bath salts, I think. And then the taller one I may use, and I may repurpose at some future point, for Halloween candy. And I came across these really cute window signs. These are window clings. But I think they're really cute. I think Chic on the Cheap just had a DIY video I'll link down below on how you can use these using these window transfers. And they can peel right off. So if you don't want to keep in the Halloween theme and want to use the jar for something else, you can. I picked this assortment of stickers because look how cute they are. And this one says, "We all go a little mad sometimes." And of course, that is the famous line from Psycho. Hitchcock's Psycho, and so you know I'm a movie nerd, so that was perfect. Also, they have the witches in, and I'll be back. I told you I was sick. It has little funny jokes, but definitely when I see I'll be back, I think of Scream. Pick Your Poison, R.I.P. Really Old. They're really funny and cute and quirky, and I think I'm gonna fill this up with some candy. And speaking of candy, yes, Halloween candy is available now at the Dollar Tree. And of course, they have some really great brands. Reese's Miniature Cups. And I picked up a bag of dots. They have a variety. They have Skittles too. But I thought these were really cute because they have really nice, a pop of color that honestly would look great in this nice jar. So if you see it in the background, you already know. Dollar Tree. Snag them, $1.25 each. Now, speaking of Halloween, tell me this isn't the cutest little thing. They've brought this multiple times. This is a repeat item at the Dollar Tree. And as you can see, it is hanging decoration. But it's a cute little hanging ghost the fabric is really nice and soft. You can put it on your doorway, you can put it on your front porch or your backyard for Halloween. It's really pretty. I bought it because, hey, it's Halloween and you can see it in the background when I'm doing my reviews, and I may even review Scream. We'll see. Stay tuned for that. Now, and I think I did. I think I reviewed Scream Queens as part of my Spooktacular last year, but we'll see if I reviewed this last contemporary installment of Scream, but stay tuned for that. I'm also doing a DIY, so I picked up another heavy duty duct tape in black. And they really are worth it. They're really good, hefty. It's a good, hefty tape, and it really has a good adhesive. So I do recommend this. You will find this in the hardware section. This is Tool by Tool Bench. And I think they come in blue as well, and also your classic gray, but I like them in black. So I picked up a black roll, and also in their beauty section, Sassy and Chic blender sponges are back. This is great for any kind of Halloween application, Halloween makeup. If you need some heavy duty makeup but don't want to mess up your makeup brushes, these are a great dupe. And so they have this one that's a little more on the precise side for your finger grip, and they have the classic dome, egg-shaped dome one. So I picked up two just to keep in stock, and black. They come in also a nice hot pink. And also if you want to get rid of your makeup, and especially if it's heavy duty, I picked up Global Beauty Care Cleansing Cloths makeup wipes with retinol. Retinol is really recommended for skin, especially if you are aging. It does help, and 25 cloths per package for $1.25. If you see them, snag them. Lastly, from the Dollar Tree haul, I also came across this really pretty dish. Isn't this adorable, guys? This is a nice amber burgundy, really deep fall color. It resembles a leaf, as you can see, and I think it also comes in like a nice neon orange, and also comes in yellow, resembling fall colors. But you can use this for cookies. You can use this as a decorative piece on your dinner table for Thanksgiving. I thought it was really nice to also kind of keep an assortment of things, keys, chains, earrings, and whatnot. That's why it really caught my attention. So $1.25. And of course, you can never go without enough batteries. So I picked up AA super heavy duty by eCircuit. You can find these in the tech section of at least my local branch, but be on the lookout. And they're back to their 6 count. Thank goodness, because the last purchase I only can find 4, and there was like a late delivery on them. I think there was like production was really slow. So if you see these bad boys, do pick them up. $1.25 each. And lastly, these are from a local discount shop. I mean, this I did buy from Dollar Tree, but I bought it over the summer. They come in, this is Tulle, and it comes in white, a nice turquoise, blue. I'm thinking of doing another DIY that may require this one. I might use the white one for some other project, but to layer on, I wanted some puff paint. So I got this. It doesn't have a brand name, I don't think. I think it's called, what is it? Color Factor. Color Factor, and it's for fashion and leather acrylic paint, and a nice cobalt blue. So I'll see how they kind of pair together. And as you can see, it is not $1.25 or 99 cents. It is $2.99. But again, that's what you can find at the fabric or discount store close by. And I bought some foam sheets as well, because this will come in handy in case I do anything mask wise. So foam sheets are really handy, and as you can see, $2.99 per package. I needed a nice black and a nice yellow. This comes in a nice assortment of colors, as you can see. So be on the lookout if you see that in any of my impending reviews. I also picked up at my fabric store a nice black tulle, because again, you can't have enough tulle, especially when it concerns Halloween. So I got lucky. I got like maybe a few, like a small smidge of fabric for $1. So if you can finagle it by any fabric stores by you, and you can get anything for $1, go for it. And with that, y'all, we bring this to a close. I hope you like this haul. Give us a like. If there's any item here that you like, leave us a comment down below. If you'd like to follow my videos, you can hit the subscription button up top and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next review, haul, and DIY. And until next time, y'all, I hope you've enjoyed and stay tuned for more brouhaha goodies. Till next time, XOXO, Nerdy Girl.